Hey folks, I'm inside the barn that Jim built. Jim built a barn here, and it's, see them boards? He built most of this barn with a chainsaw. Cut his timber with a chainsaw. Yeah, he welded on a little guide and the bar and built the barn with a chainsaw. So yeah, this is a pretty neat looking barn. Pretty big place. I get back away from here, you can be able to see it all. Let's see, maybe I can zoom in. There you go, pretty big barn. Let's go back and take a look inside. Charlie likes to explore. And I don't want him to get out in this tall grass because this is the land of ticks in Arkansas. He's looking for rabbits or whatever he can capture. So yeah, can you imagine how long it took to cut them boards with a chainsaw? I can remember me doing it years ago, probably about 30 years ago in fact. It's pretty amazing. We're in Yellow, Arkansas. Yep. Pretty neat, huh? Got hay for the cows. They're hoping to get a lot more hay in today, but it rained the other day. And it's not quite dried out enough to bale it yet, but I think they were planning on baling it if it did. I don't know. It looks pretty damp yet, so I don't know whether they're going to get to it this afternoon or not. Now, when I lived here, those fields beyond this one were all trees. And it's all changed now. I just wanted to show you this barn. And I hope you enjoyed it. Yep, this is where I met my wife, right down the road. Whenever she came to visit my sister some 67 years ago. And we're still married. How about that? Charlie just got out of the car, and so he's really wanting to go. But there's a chance there's another dog around here, and sometimes Charlie doesn't get along with him because he was once attacked by two dogs. And I had to pull him up and almost got bit myself when he was a relatively small puppy. So you don't get along with dogs too much. He will after he gets to know them, but not strange dogs. There you go. Down there, where that tower is the city of Yellville, Arkansas. Where was it? Oh, there it is.